talking about the organic navy beans today. Way more health benefits than I ever thought about. Learned something new today. I typed in, I watched on YouTube a video. The channel is by BrotherBenX Network, and the title of the video, what can be done with the navy beans. I love and respect everybody, so I can listen to everybody when there's good information. So no, I am not Muslim. No, I am not vegan. No, I am not paleo. I am just doing a lifestyle change and training my brain to eat differently for my health benefits. So when you watch this video, go all the way past and listen past to when Minister Louis Farrakhan speak. There is a scientist on there, and he will explain the effects and the science that he has done with the navy bean, and the knowledge he has with it, and talks about diabetes, the heart diseases, etc. Very, very good video. So I will be adding these more to my diet. All right, having a little fun today. Today I'm going to be figuring out how to open my coconut and put the lime in the coconut. So I see people where they can open it and they can put a straw in here, squeeze a little lime juice, and drink the juice, coconut juice that way. So I don't know what I'm going to do or how I'm going to open mine. I don't have a coconut opener. I'm going to have to figure that out. It's so hard for me to get back out and start working out once you stop. So I have to push myself, put it in my schedule, make it a time, and make it a schedule. So I'm just walking now, getting my walk in. But I'm also thinking the things that I do, the things that I put in my body, and the exercising, etc., walking, stretching, lifting when I can. Even though it's summer and we're trying to walk out of COVID, and there's still quite a few variants out there, and we don't know what's out there. I think I want to keep my body fighting off whatever little bugs are out there. And if they attack my body, I have certain nutrients and vitamins in my body that would help fight off any kind of variant, bug, or whatever that comes into the body. Whether it be by breathing it from the air, not washing the hands enough, picking it up off some of the foods we eat. But it's important that I continue to strengthen my body and keep my body to that point where it can fight off these diseases. You know, if I get it, it'll be easy to get over it. That's the goal. So I push myself to come on out here and walk. Every day I put it in my schedule, at least to get my exercise in until I'm ready to hit the gym again. So that's that. We don't want to wait until flu season to say whatever. It's an everyday process.